In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Average Sentiment Oscillator in TradingView Pro. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and have a chart open. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at. This can be stocks, crypto, Forex, or anything else. What matters is that you're on the main chart screen where you can see the price candles and the toolbar around it. To begin, look towards the top of your chart for the indicators button. Depending on your layout, this is usually near the middle or upper left area of the screen. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where TradingView keeps all the tools that you can add to your chart, including built-in indicators, community scripts, and premium tools. Once the indicators window opens, you'll see a search box at the top. Rather than scrolling through all the categories, the fastest way to find what you need is to use that search box. Click directly on the search bar so your cursor is active there and you're ready to type. Now, start typing Average Sentiment Oscillator. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter and show results that match what you're entering. Make sure you spell it correctly and take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct indicator from the list. When you see Average Sentiment Oscillator appear in the search results, click on it once. As soon as you do that, it will be added to your chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. You should now see the Average Sentiment Oscillator plotted, with its lines or bars updating in real time as the chart moves. From here, you can customize it by hovering over its name in the indicator panel and clicking on the settings icon. This is where you can adjust things like colors, line thickness, and any parameters the script allows, so it fits your personal trading style and is easy for you to read at a glance. If you're using TradingView Pro or thinking about upgrading, I do have an affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you, and it also ensures you're on a plan that can handle more indicators on your chart, more alerts, and better overall performance, which is especially useful if you're running tools like the Average Sentiment Oscillator regularly. That's all you need to do to add the Average Sentiment Oscillator in TradingView Pro. Follow these steps once and you'll be able to repeat the process quickly on any chart you work with.